Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to connect two Google Sheets. For this example, we will connect Google Sheets by using sample phone numbers from one sheet to another. Let's start with the source sheet. This is the sheet where your original data is located. First, in the source sheet, click the address bar at the top of your screen to highlight the full URL. Right-click within the selection and click Copy from the menu that appears. This link contains the spreadsheet ID you will need in a moment. Next, identify the range of cells you want to bring into your new sheet. For example, let's say you want to import data from Sheet 1, cells B2 to B11. Now, go to your destination sheet by clicking its tab at the top part of your screen. Click on the cell where you want the imported data to start. Then, type this formula: import range, open round bracket, double quotation marks, then paste the spreadsheet URL by right-clicking and clicking paste from the menu that appears. Type double quotation marks, comma, double quotation marks, then the sheet name, which is Sheet 1 for this example, an exclamation point, and the cell range you want to import, which is B2:B11 for this example. Type double quotation marks, then close round bracket. Press Enter. The first time you connect two sheets, Google Sheets will show a ref error with a button that says Allow Access. Click the Allow Access button to give permission. After that, the data from the source sheet will appear in your destination sheet. Now, your sheets are connected, and anytime the data in the source sheet changes, your destination sheet will automatically update as well. So, that is how you connect Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.